Hello guys, I greet you all once again. My name is Abaroma Ozamiri. Okay, quick one. We are here again to have another teaching. This is for those that are suffering from evil spirit in their compound, or you are suffering from witchcraft attack in your compound where you are living or in your family compound. This ritual, it is for you. You're going to do this to drive away witches and evil spirits from your home. Okay? You can as well do this in your shop. If you notice that somebody where you are doing business is using evil spirit or witchcraft spirit to block your shop from people noticing. Do you understand me? This work is also for you. All you need to do for me is to get Prekese Wonder. You are going to get this, okay? Then this is you go to any spiritual store, you are going to see this incense, okay? The name is on the screen. Salewa incense. Then you are going to get for me you're going to get for me gravel incense. A lot of people know gravel incense, while some others don't know gravel incense. This is gravel incense. I'll still open it and show you gravel incense. Okay, that's gravel incense. Okay, you're going to get this incense as well. Okay, these three materials, okay, that is what you need. Then plus alligator pepper, you're also going to get your alligator pepper. You're going to pieces this one. Pieces, you can pieces just a little quantity of this. Pieces is use something to pieces it. Then put your gravel incense in your incense burner. Okay. Add this salewa incense. Okay. Add it a tablespoon or more. Just add it to it. Then you are going to add Eden fruit, okay, to it. The one that you pieces, you add it. Then you add 7 seeds of alligator pepper. These 7 seeds of alligator pepper, when you put it in your hand, you hold it like this and you begin to declare what you want. Declare what you want. After declaring what you want, you add it to the incense. You take it, use it to move around your compound. Okay, in a circular form, just the whole, make sure you walk around the whole compound. When you finish walking around the compound with it in the incense burner, okay, you are going to place it at the entrance of the house. If you are doing this in your room, once you finish, okay, moving around your room, using it to cleanse your room, you drop it at the door or the window, okay? If you are doing it in where you are doing your business, you also do it the same way, okay? You keep it at the entrance for it to burn, okay? Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye.